Happy hump day, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. It's on all my social media. Now, on this rainy day, I want to talk about two homes that hit the market, and they're pretty interesting and kind of different from one another. The first one is a large 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 4,138 square foot property listed with Century 21 Jim White and Associates, and Hell Hartley is the listing agent. This home has an open floor plan, 2 stories, steps away, literally steps away from Tampa Bay on Safety Harbor, and it's being listed for $1,550,000. You have beautiful water views. You have a beautiful open concept main living area. It's a wonderful property, and I highly recommend you guys take a look at it. Next, a condo on the opposite side of Pinellas County. Here we have in Clearwater Beach, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square foot condo, and like the other property, on the water. This time we're on the Gulf of Mexico. You're steps away from America's #1 beach, in my opinion. So we have, like you would expect in any condominium center such as this, you have heated pools, fitness center, lovely walk-in closets. It's the works. And if any of these homes are of interest to you, or you're looking for something slightly different but also near the water, give me a call at 727-303-1521 or hit me up on social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Love to talk to you about what the options are for you here.